In this video, I'll show you how to reset the tire pressure warning light, TPMS, on a 2025 Hyundai Kona. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to save the new tire pressure settings after inflating your tires to the recommended pressure. Turn the ignition on and start the engine. Use the left steering wheel controls to navigate until the tire pressure screen appears in the center of the instrument cluster. Press and hold the OK button located below the directional controls. A message will appear instead of the speedometer, asking you to set the desired tire pressure in the tires and then select Set. Use the steering wheel controls to highlight Set, then press and hold the OK button. Wait until you see the confirmation message indicating that the tire pressure has been successfully stored. This procedure resets the TPMS after adjusting your tire pressures. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.